Okay guys, today I'm just going to look at real quick how to reset your time on your clock for your BMW X3 2007, 2008, 9, 10, X3 in this case. But there's a little toggle on the switch on your signal light here, right? So if you look close, you press this button in and it kind of changes the which options you have on your panel. So I'm going to press it in and it goes to the temperature, it goes to the miles per gallon, miles to go, and miles per hours. Right now I'm kind of sitting. So when you get to the time menu, you can basically use a couple of things, but this is the time on the gauge but also on the radio display as well, and both will change. So here you got these two buttons here and here. One is a service button and then this one is the clock button. So you press the clock button. We don't want to do the oil right now. You want to hold that clock button. Press it and hold it. And if you hold it about 2 or 3 seconds, you see the time will come up. So it has 12, and then you use the service button, this other button, to cycle through like to whichever time it is for you. So let's just say it's 4 p.m. here, and then you hit this button to go to the minutes, and then you set your minutes again with the service button, and let's just say it's 4:30. Okay, and you hold it. If you hold it, it'll just cycle through really fast. So once you're done, again, you hit the clock button again here, and your time is set. And that's pretty much it. And again, on the radio side, that's set as well. So that's a quick, easy way on the X3 BMW to set your clock if need be. Thank you, and hit the subscribe button if it was helpful to you. Thank you.